Okay, you gotta say Buff Del Campo here or something.
Buff Del Campo here. Gonna get in a Z sled and go see the post officer. You know.
Go ahead, get in and start up.
Oh, get in and start up?
Yeah, it's cold
I
stuff.
didn't know what you wanted me to do. I thought you wanted me to stand there and listen.
Show, or you gotta show them the actuation of the tilkage. What do you gotta do? Where's your steering columns open?
Well, yeah, because we haven't. There's a couple things we haven't finished, so I could put it on there again and then finish it. Okay, I pull the warmer coffer, the choke, and start easing it in. It starts really well now. Just like the new Dodge Charger. It's a 6-pack. Right?
No.
It's an inline 6.
No, this is a Ford.
They're calling that a 6-pack.
I thought 6-pack was a carburation package.
They don't even have carburetors on it. It's 6 cylinders, so they're calling it a 6-pack.
Well, it has 6 fuel injectors.
I guess. This has 6 cylinders, 6 intake valves, 6 exhaust valves.
There you go. They were right then. It is a 6-pack. Does it have 6 exhaust pipes? 6 wheels?
None of that stuff. It's a school zone.
Oh, I love this little store.
Oh, have you been in there?
No.
I have not been in there.
It's just so hillbilly. Oh, look, there's our water tower. What are we getting at the post office? You sending something, or are you expecting something, or?
Expecting a microphone.
Oh, the microphone's coming. All right. Kick butt.
This is where I live.
It's kind of small. The rent's good though.
Guess I gotta pay. You're pointing over there. A box from Steve Edwards, a little microphone in a box, I think. Just like in the old days, you have to use a key. No little triggers. No electronic stuff.
Bloop.
Oh, and then you opened it for me.
Your door handle's missing a screw.
I know. It's like,
I bet
we
you
didn't finish putting everything together.
Yeah, I wonder why. I bet you there's one in here.
Because we wanted to.
Yeah, that's one there.
I wanted to finish the console and all that stuff. And so we just sort of stopped because we're working on the
working
Valiant.
on there.
We're working on the Valiant.
Oh, never finish anything. That's
And
what I
this
always
is
say.
finished enough to drive. But yeah, I know. That'd probably never be all the way finished.
Here's on my way, brother. I got 152 stations right all at me. I'm just trying to pull sugar right under East Arizona Mobile. Breaker
19. Somebody said that? We're on channel 38 and said breaker 19.
Today is a strike day, and Gordon.
Yeah, that's a school. It's pretty cool. Good. Usually there's ducks floating around there around the school.
5611, 515 Arizona. We've had one Great Lakes.
515 Arizona. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.
Okay.
It's just noisy.
So we also went to the grocery store. I was telling the viewers that we also went to the grocery store. And the car smells like gas, so that means it probably boiled out the carburetor and it might be a little more difficult.
Probably boiled over the carburetor, yep.
A little flooded maybe?
It will be. This happens. No, it's not perfect.
Well,
should I pull out the choke? No.
I think we should spend $2,000 on a custom fuel injection system. Think of all the money we'd save.
I'm gonna give it about a half a gas. And then here comes the little smoker.
That was horrible. We need a new car. How could anybody live with an old jalopy like this? Did you hear how many times the starter had to turn that engine over? It's horrible.
No, this guy's not gonna go. Maybe I will.
The worst part about getting in and out of this car is the seat belt. It's way back there.
Yeah, I never liked the seatbelts.
And now it's all jammed up.
My last one had 4-point harnesses.
Oh.
Nice big, like 3-inch wide 4-point harnesses with a clip over thing. And had a roll bar, but I don't know. I don't know if
Roll bar?
I don't know if I'll be able to do that on this one.
Reach, there it goes. I don't want a roll bar because I have no intentions of rolling nothing over.
Well, the whole idea of the roll bar is it's what attached the, you know, the,
Oh, it's just to attach the...
well,
just have to unload the Jeep.
Oh, you're interested in going.
I don't want to go when it's busy.
Is it too busy already? This street's always busy.
Well, it's the time of day. We waited till school was out. That's alright. I made my doctor's appointment this morning. That was what was importantest. Everything else is kind of gravy. I got firewood on top of that, and we went to the post office and got you some tomatoes at the grocery store.
And you got milk?
And I got milk, which I was going to be out in another day. So now I don't have to stop on Thursday night.
So you gotta take the Jeep. That open, it's open. Oh, look at all the wood. It smells funny in here.
Probably smells like old firewood.
Yeah, it's a different smell. All these different firewoods have different smells.
Point the nose into the thing and then back up right where those tires are. We'll drop it out of there.
Over there?
Yeah. Man, we parked all these junk cars now.
Get too many cars. The pile is getting.
Well, it's not getting big. It is big. It's been big. It's not getting any different. It's not getting smaller. Is the problem.
Oh, I see the tires.
Yeah, just keep backing up. You're okay. Okay, straighten out. Straighten out.
Oh, and then there's that orange thing.
Yeah, you're not gonna hit that. Yeah, that's probably good. I got you a set of gloves. This is probably a place. We'll be out of the way here. That's a lot of wood. That's a pretty good pile of wood, huh? Not bad for free, but it won't be ready to burn till next year.
Maybe we won't need a fire until next year.
Let's hope not.
I've had enough. Had enough cold. Okay, we just finished putting these hinges on here. They're really rough right now because they're way too long. We know that because we're gonna radius them off nicely, but we want to make sure this works. It doesn't hit right here. Man, it just makes it too. And then something hits. Oh, I know what it is. It's this thing. Yeah, it's where we got to radius this off. So that'll fix that. We got to cut a radius on all four of those. Oh yeah, this works. And then get the right size bolts because the bolts are too long. We started putting those on there last live up here, which is what, Saturday night. And here it is Wednesday night. Well, if you're gonna count the whole job and say it took us all this months to put these hinges on because we got to them today. We did all this other work.
Okay,
then.
let's see from the inside. Go ahead, open it up. Celebration.
Yeah, it'll stop when it hits the hinges. But,
Okay, but it should actually, like if I pull this out so it's not hitting, how far down will it go?
well,
It should go.
it should go, but
It's not touching.
I don't want to bind it up like that.
Oh, come on. I want to see how far it opens. That's it.
I don't want to
It's
bend
hitting both sides.
I don't want to bend it.
All right, all right.
Okay, so
Good deal.
wouldn't hurt to put a little shim in there so that it so the paint doesn't rub on each other, but I don't know how they originally did it.
It's a completely different kind of hinge.
Okay, these hinges were real long because we didn't know how short they needed to be, because we made them extra long. But we've lopped them off, and they need a little, just a little finish work, but they're the right shape now. Same thing on this side. So it shouldn't bind up. Hopefully it doesn't bind up. Hopefully it doesn't bind up. Oh, it doesn't bind up at all. It goes way down. Okay, so this will probably end up coming up. I'll probably put a panel in here that'll be fairly flat, so I hope to have a couple of chains coming down here to hold this, and so it works. Now I feel pretty good about it.
Okay, now tell them we'll be working on it on our live stream on Thursdays.
Yeah, we'll work on it. Yeah, live stream on Thursday and Saturday nights. We'll be working on this. So.
And tell them to like and subscribe.
Cough and subscribe.